Frequently asked question number 72. How long can we keep the succulents out of the soil? Now, a lot of beginners tend to ask me this question because a lot of times what happens is that people tend to buy succulents and the succulents are already delivered, they are already home, but they're not ready with the soil mix or they're not ready with the pots. Or at times what happens is that you are not at home, but someone else receives the succulents and now they don't know what exactly to do. Now, let's say that you are going to take some time to come back home. Probably you are out on a small trip or an office trip or whatever it is, and you're not at home to receive the succulents, but someone else has received the succulents on your behalf from home. So now what you can do is you can ask the person to open the box, remove the succulents out, untie and untangle all of those tissue paper or toilet roll from the succulents, because we want the succulents to breathe the fresh air, because they have been in the transit box for a very long time. Let's say they have been in the box for 4 days or maybe 5 days or maybe for even 10 days. So the first and the most important thing is whoever receives the succulents at home, ensure that you tell them to open the box, remove the succulents out, untuck them from those toilet paper and tissue paper so that they can have that fresh air. They have been inside the box for a really long time. Now, the second thing, let's say that the person at home does not know how to repot succulents. It's absolutely okay. You can ask them to keep the succulents in a place where there is a good amount of air circulation and there is a good amount of indirect but bright light. Do not put your newly purchased succulents out in direct sunlight. It's not very good. It will definitely damage your succulents. So probably you can ask the person or yourself, like you do not have the soil mix ready, take out the succulent, keep it in a tray, in an open tray, keep it in a place where there is a good amount of airflow and keep it in indirect bright light. Remember, the light has to be really bright, otherwise the succulents will start to stretch. So the first and the most important thing, remove them from the box, keep them in a location where there is a good amount of airflow. Now, talking about potting, you can even do it after 6 days, you can even do up to a week, but please do not prolong it post 1 week. Now guys, being said that the succulents are going to be okay outside the soil for almost a week doesn't mean that this is going to be your regular practice. It's not a very good practice to keep your succulents outside the soil for a week. This is just in case if there is an emergency, or probably your succulents arrived quite early and you did not have the time to prepare the soil mix, or you did not have time to get your pots. Probably they arrived quite early. It's only an odd case. This is not something that you should practice on a regular basis because it's not very good for your succulents. Now, the reason why I am emphasizing on this is it's okay to keep your succulents out. The reason is because I have seen a lot of people, what they tend to do is, let's say that their succulents have come in, but their potting mix is not ready, or probably they have ordered potting mix online and that has not arrived. So a lot of people, what they tend to do is, they tend to make a temporary setup. They just take whatever regular soil they have, they take their succulent, they put it into that and they just wait. And then when the potting mix tends to come, they again go ahead and repot the succulent. They take the succulent out from that temporary soil and then they plant it again. The only reason why I'm saying do not do this is because your succulent will get disturbed. Remember, whenever you get your succulent, you put them into the succulent soil mix, the one that you have. They should not be moved around and they should not be touched because they are acclimating and getting adjusted to your new soil mix. But remember, what is going to happen is if you are putting them in a temporary soil and then again uprooting them and putting them in another soil mix, in this, maybe the succulent might get damaged, maybe the succulent might have issues, or maybe the succulent might start rotting. There could be a lot of possibilities. So it's always better that whenever you get your new succulent, have your soil mix ready. If you do not have your soil mix ready, wait for some time. It's always better to wait rather than doing a repotting every now and then of a newly purchased succulent. Remember, the succulent has come through in that box. It is trying to get acclimated in that new environment. You put it in a temporary soil, then after 2 or 3 days you take it out again from that soil. It is going to hamper the health of the succulent. So please don't do this. Always be prepared. In case if you're not prepared, you can always keep your succulent out. You can keep your succulent out of the soil for a day or so and then plant it. So yes, the succulent will do quite well even if it's outside the soil for a week, but please do not prolong it more than that. The whole reason to make this video was that so that you do not do this temporary and permanent soil. Do not put them in one pot to another. within couple of months, because the succulent is trying to get adjusted and acclimated in your new environment, and repotting it in a very short duration will definitely hamper the succulent. It can even go to an extent wherein the succulent will start losing the leaves and it might start getting rotted, because as we all know, when we tend to purchase new succulents, a lot of times the lower leaves, one or two of them, tend to turn yellow and fall off because the succulent is getting acclimated in the new environment. It's trying to get comfortable in the new environment, and you can just imagine that the succulent was trying to get acclimated. Now that your soil mix is come, you just go ahead and uproot the succulent and you now put it in another soil mix. Now again, the succulent has to go through the entire process of getting acclimated in the new soil mix. So it's always better you wait for some days, let the new succulent potting mix come in, or you just prepare the soil mix. Wait for some days. Until then, you can just keep your succulent out of the soil. Ensure that you do not miss the succulent when the succulent is outside the soil. And keep it in indirect bright light, because if you're going to keep it in direct sunlight, then the succulent will get dehydrated at a much faster rate. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you want to watch such more FAQs, then please do subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.